Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a super compact air blower from MECO. We reviewed them in the past with another vacuum slash air blower, but this one is just an air blower. This is the MECA3 air blower and this is the box of it. Uh, Basically pretty simple looking box. We have it on black, you can also have it on orange color. We have a gear selection from 0 to 100, display, and 2 times 4000 milliamp hour batteries inside, and basically this is how it looks. It's just super compact. The box is obviously bigger than the product, but I wanted to show you guys the box first. So let's go ahead and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, what accessories it comes with, and after that we are going to put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We have a couple of accessories, but as always, we'll start with the small stuff first. So right here we have a user manual. It will tell you everything you need to know about the air blower, how to use it, how to use the turbo mode, what everything does, all the accessories included, and how to use it at its max potential. Basically, give this a read. It will help you understand everything better. They also included a USB Type A to USB Type C cable. This is used for charging the air blower. We have a flattened nozzle right here, which can be replaced for the nozzle that it comes with. This one, basically you just twist it and you replace it if for some reason you want to use a flattened nozzle. They included a set of bristles. This is basically used to clean the inside of the blower. Basically right here, the overtime dust will accumulate over there, and it's best to clean it to keep it at its max performance. We have a pretty nice carry bag. It's like a plush velvet carry bag where you can fit the air blower and all the accessories in one bag. So this is really nice, especially if you're traveling or maybe you want to use it in your car. It's entirely up to you. You can have that. And right here we have the blower itself. As you can see, it's super tiny, compact. I'm surprised they fit 2 batteries inside this, and it's still super powerful. On the back of it we have the USB Type-C port, which again I said it's used to charge the blower. We have a power button right here in the front, and if you press the power button, you can select from 0% up to 100%. This is turned on at 1%. So yeah, basically that's it. That's all you get. On the top you have in and out outlet. They labeled as well, so you always know the air will come out this way. And it also has a hand strap. So maybe you're cleaning a lot, you're doing a lot of stuff, just put this around your hand. This will never go anywhere, you won't lose it, especially that it's so tiny. I'm just super impressed that it's so tiny. So yeah, pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. I will figure something out so I can test it, maybe some tissues around the table or something, and I'll show you guys how it works. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so I figured something out. I'm gonna test it with some tissues because honestly I have no dust anywhere in my house because I always like to keep it clean. And yeah, I'm just gonna turn it on and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like when it's on. So let's just press the power button, and then let's do 100%. This thing is so powerful at 100%. It literally moves my hand. So unless you have something really dusty, I think 50% will do just fine. And I don't know how loud it sounds on the mic, but it has a bit of noise to it, so bear that in mind. I think it's a really great product, super compact. Honestly, I would just keep it in my car. And if you guys want to buy it, I will have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.